Hello, you beautiful lot. It's Purple.
And Leanne.
And we've come to Kettering, and we're behind Kettering Leisure Village. And I found a railway piece, and we have no idea what it's for. Now, I know the Kettering to Huntingdon line comes off the Midland Railway and goes east. But this railway line looks like it comes off the Midland Railway and goes west towards Cransley. So we have no idea, but we want to go explore. So let's go explore.
It's called Sleigh Brook.
Sleigh Brook. Ah, this is what this is called, the Sleigh Brook.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Right, let's go up.
Yeah. Let's have a look. You go careful, it's quite slippy, you.
No.
Alright, let's have a look at this bridge first.
What, down here?
We'll have a quick look here. Awesome. Kettering Leisure Village. Oh wow.
Starts to get deeper.
It does, doesn't it?
And on the other side there must be.
Cool. Isn't that amazing? Now, we are in the process of doing a video walking around Kettering Leisure Village, because I remember there was a lake at the back. So bear with us, we will put that video together and you will be able to see it very soon. But for now, curiosity's getting us. Oh, look what I found.
What?
Look what I found. I found a railway.
Yeah?
That's a rail. That's awesome. Look at that in there. Cool. Right, let's have a look. Private property. Stop people trying to claim it. Yeah, it looks like a sofa. This is definitely a railway bank.
Quite steep going down.
Yeah. Look at this oak tree.
It looks like it's one of them haunted trees.
Yeah, one that'll pick up Harry Potter's car.
At least there's no stingers, really.
No. No, I think it's just shaking off the trees.
Oh. I thought it started snowing again, but I just got it again. Maybe it's just my imagination. Just down there, babe.
The gate. Oh yeah. That's Big Red. You can just about see her through. Boom, 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 boom. Ah. Ah, you see, and this. Oh, it started to snow. It started to snow. But look, that's the Midland Main Line right there. And this is a spur line off it. Right? That goes that way towards Kettering Leisure Village and out towards Cransley. Was it a passenger service or was it for some iron industry or whatnot? That's mental. Of course, I can't go in there because that's Network Rail, and trespassing on railways is a big no-no in my eyes. They don't take kindly to it. So, wow. Yeah, if the community know anything more on this, then please come on, hit through, because this is a video asking for help. If any of you can tell me what this is. But that's beautiful, isn't it? Alright, well, if you like this little video, then hit the like and subscribe button.
And please hit the bell for the notifications.
And we can let you know about the Koch. Peace, love and light.
With a touch of no fancy unity.